Okay, guys, today I'm bringing you a clip-on lamp. This is a great clip-on lamp. If you would like to read at night, or you need a night light, or you like to read in the bed, it's a great light to bring to you because it's very minimal. So it's very simple design, but it's a great design. It's the manual, tells you how to use it, everything you need to use to know about the product. And this is the light right here. It's a very nice light, simple design, but very great design, easy to use. Here you can see it, you can use like this. It brings a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can charge it. This has a 2000 milliamp battery, so it will last you 3 to 5 hours on the maximum brightness. That's pretty good for a small lamp. Here, that's where you recharge it. You can see you can bend it where you want, any position that you might want anyway. So you can use it for you want. Definitely, you can use it on your desk to read or to put light on your keyboard if you're using and you don't want to disturb your partner. Turn on the lights. You can use this light right here. Clip-on has rubber on the bottom and the top here. Once it's clipped on there, it's not gonna slip because it has rubber. To turn it on, let me hit here. You can see it's this button right here. You just touch it. It's touch sensitive, so you can just keep tapping it. Right, you can turn it off there. Definitely, it's a nice lamp to have. This clamp is pretty big. Pretty big if it's big or your headboard of your bed is pretty thick. You can see that it's pretty big. It's super convenient to put it on your kid's bedroom or for your desk, or if you just need a simple light to record videos or light something up, you can use it too for that. It's a very nice, very well made lamp. It charges minutes after you use it. If you want to recharge it on zero, so if you're not gonna use it on the full bright, then you can rest assured that it will last longer. So this is CR95, so the colors are true to life because the rating is so. It's a great lamp to have. Check it out. Check the brand out. You can see here, this is a very thick table. It's like probably this thick, and the clamp goes in it nicely. You see here, and the brightness of the light, so you can see the light in my face. So definitely worth it. Go check them out. To press the here, on and off, you just press it and it'll turn off. So to press the button, and you'll see it will turn on. And then of the same thing, you just tap it. And to change the brightness, you just hold it until however you want it, and then you just let go, and it gets dimmer, and then brighter. So that's how you work it. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.